Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad to see you here today. A little itchy nose. Does that mean somebody's coming? Does that mean I'm getting money? What do those things mean? I never remember. Please tell me what an itchy nose means. Hopefully it's something good. But I hope that you guys are having a great day. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Support the channel. I really appreciate it, and that way I can let you know what's going on. So today I'm very excited. A company that I really respect, and I've got one of the palettes from last year. It's called Tiny Marvels, and it is Sydney Grace, and it is so exciting. I have got some Sydney Grace mystery bags. Two mystery bags. And I've never had a Sydney Grace mystery bag before, but I've heard they're fantastic. And not only were these bags reasonably priced, I'm sure, because I don't know what's in, I haven't peeked yet, but they were $25 a piece, but they were on sale, so I got them for like $22 and change, which is fantastic. And these are two of the same category. One is brights, and this other one is, or it's like colorful, and then the one was regular colorful, and then one was deep. So I'm not sure which one is which, and we'll see if I can figure it out in just a moment. It's very exciting. And Sydney Grace is an independent company, and I love the Tiny Marvels palette that I got last year. Oh, no, kitty. No, kitty. Not the paper. So anyway, I've just unzipped the bag, and the first thing I'm going to pull out is loose. It is some very beautiful glitter. Oh, I'm afraid I'm going to pop it and glitter is going to go everywhere, but it looks like an iridescent silvery glitter, and that's a good amount of glitter. And it's got a nice stopper on top. Then I have this, which is Whipped Berry, which is, oh, it's a highlighter. It's a powder highlighter, and look, it's very pretty. I don't know, that might be a little too deep for my skin, but it's super pretty. It'd be great on the body, or maybe as an eyeshadow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but you can just see how iridescent it is. And that is great. And then the single shadows. And for $22 and change, I have this beautiful green color. And does it tell me? How do I tell what the name is? I think I have to take it out of the package. Oh yes, and it's written tiny, so let me get the glasses. And I do have MTZ palettes just for this kind of thing. And this is in Scuba Diver. This next one, ooh, it's a purple. And this is Masquerade Ball. That is beautiful. Ooh, I have to be careful because that is open. And it's very iridescent. Then I've got this beautiful pink. This one's much bigger. I think it's a blush. Yeah, it's much bigger. It is blush. And it's in Secret. So that's great. I didn't even know there's gonna be big single things. And then this beautiful iridescent pink. And this is an XOXO. And if you guys know, I like to use XOs in my comments. Oh, a little came off. Let me get a little swatch of that. Look at that, it's beautiful. Look at that. And I've got two more single shadows, and this is just a crazy bargain. And this is a beautiful orange coppery color. And this is Truth and Beauty. And then we've got another teal kind. This is a teal color. That's really beautiful. And this is Aqua Fever. And you can tell these are all iridescent. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single shadows, a single blush, a highlighter, and a glitter for $22. And I think that is a great deal. And I'm not sure if this is the deep bag or the regular bag. We're about to get into the second bag to find out. And this bag seems a little heavier. Oh, this has got more stuff in it. First thing I see is in a carton, and it says Sydney Grace. And it says, I need a vacation. I'm not sure if this is lip or eyes or what have you. Let's see. Oh, I think this is a beautiful purple color. It does not say if it's for eyes or lips. Let's see if I'm not sure. It's a real pretty purple. Let me try swishing it around on my hand. Ooh, that's definitely a liquid eyeshadow. That is gorgeous. Look at that sheen. That is beautiful. So that's some kind of liquid eyeshadow, I think. Very nice. And then I've got a Bronze Radiance. This might be the darker one, the darker complexion. And that is definitely gorgeous. And that is a highlighter. So this is definitely the deeper bag. And then I've got more of the same glitter, which is gorgeous. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadows, and I wonder if they're this. Some of them are looks like different colors. So let's see. This is in Under the Sea. And it is very pretty. I'm so excited to have all these colors. There was like 3 or 4 categories, and there was regular and deep options on each. By the time I got there, I missed out on like the cool and warm and stuff. And this is Evergreen. I can't wait to see this one. It is so beautiful. I'm going to swatch it too. And this is Sweet Sop. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. That is totally a green after my heart. Sweet Sop. Oh, look at that. Then I've got another purple. And this is in Masquerade Ball, which I have already, so this will be going in a giveaway. And then I have this beautiful lavender kind of color. And this is in Fairy Wings. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. So that's pretty amazing. So I got 10 eyeshadows 2 highlighters, a blush, 2 glitters, and a liquid shadow of some kind, all for about $45. And that is great because these single shadows are not inexpensive. So this is great. This is a great way to start off my Sydney Grace collection of singles. And this has been a fantastic hit. And I just love my Sydney Grace mystery bags. I hope you've had a good time with me with this unboxing. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And I'll see you real soon.